Student, now we are going to start exercise 1.3. Under this we see what is similarity and what are the property when two triangles are similar. So we start from this diagram. In this diagram, angle PQ are similar angle triangle ABC. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. If triangle ABC similar, the symbol of similar is like this. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. In this case, when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding vertex, corresponding angles are also congruent or similar. Angle A congruent angle A congruent angle P, angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, angle C congruent angle R. The reason for this is corresponding angles of similar triangle is congruent. Is that clear? Corresponding angles of similar triangle is congruent. Now, when ABC and triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. So this is about angle. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are congruent. What about the sides? When two triangles are similar, the proportion, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. For example, it is 3, it is 6, it is 4, it is 8, it is 5, and it is 10. Then what? AB upon PQ. What is AB upon PQ? AB 3 and PQ is what? 6. The ratio is 1 upon 2. Like that, BC upon QR is equal to, BC is what? 4 and 8, that is also 1 upon 2, and AC upon PR is equal to 5 upon 10, that is also 1 upon 2. So the ratio are same, the ratio of the corresponding sides are same. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. And the reason for this is what? Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. So student, two things are clear. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are congruent, and when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, student. Now we see test of similarity. By which test two triangles are similar? Under this, first one is a AAA test. AAA test means what? And this angle congruent to this angle, this angle congruent to this angle, and this angle congruent to this angle. This is AA test. When all the three angles are congruent to the another triangle, then that triangle is similar by AAA test. AA test, this is also like that. When two angles are congruent, only two angles are congruent, then that triangle is similar. So it's a very good thing that if we prove two angles are similar, we can prove that triangles are similar. Now after that, SSS test. What is SSS test? When the corresponding sides are in proportion. Suppose this is 6, this is 3 and this is 6, this is 4 and this is 8, this is 5 and this is 10. So what's the proportion 3 and 6, 1 upon 2, 4 and 8, 1 upon 2, 5 upon 10, 1 upon 2. So that triangle is similar as per SSS test. After that, SAS test, when two sides are in proportion, and one angle is a congruent. For example, 3, 6, 4, 8. This is two sides are in proportion. There is not given this one, and this angle congruent to this angle, and this angle congruent to this angle. Then this triangle is a similar as per SAS test. SAS test. Now we start exercise 1.3. The first sum of this exercise is what? In figure 1.55, angle ABC 75 degree, angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar. Student, we have to decide which two triangles are similar, and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. So first we take two triangles. For that we take triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle EDC. Triangle ABC and triangle EDC. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, first one is what? Angle ABC congruent angle ABC congruent angle EDC. Why congruent? Because both are 75 degree. For that we write given. This is given. Now second one is what? Which angle is congruent? In this ABC and in this ADC. Which is common angle? The C is a common angle. This angle is a common angle in both the triangles CC. Therefore, angle ACB congruent angle ACB congruent angle ECD. That is common angle. So two angles are proof. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle EDC. By which test? A test. It's proof. Two triangles are proof. Now we write proper one-to-one correspondence. Here B is a corresponding with D. It's a defined because it is 75 degree. It is 75 degree. B is a correspondence with D, and C is a correspondence with C because it is a common angle. Therefore, what's remain? E and A is remain. So A correspondence E, B correspondence D, and C correspondence C. So ABC correspondence EDC. Yes, student, exercise 1.3, question number 2. Are the triangles in figure 1.56 similar? Are the triangle, what is the triangle? PQR LMN. If yes, by which test? Students, you can see that there are sides are given in both the triangles. So first we see the sides. If PQ upon LM. What is value of PQ? 6, and LM is a 3. That is 1 upon 2. That is first one. After that, QR upon MN. That is also 8 upon 4. No, this is 2. That is also 2. And after that, QR. After that, what's remaining? PR. upon ln, PR upon ln, PR is a 10 and ln is a 5, that is also 2, 2, 2, 2, this is second, this is third, therefore PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon ln from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, triangle PQR similar triangle LMN by which test? SSS test. SSS test. Student, instead of solving question number 3, I solved question number 4. We will solve question number 3 in our next video. That is in a part 2. Now we solve question number 4. In this, in triangle ABC, AP perpendicular BC and BQ perpendicular AC. Now BPC is a collinear and AQC is a collinear. Then prove that triangle CPA and triangle CQB is a similar. So first we take in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. First, CPA and CQB, angle CPA congruent angle CQB. What's the reason? Each 90 degree because AP perpendicular BC, this is 90 degree, BQ perpendicular AC, this is 90 degree, each 90 degree. After that, what's the second angle we can prove? In which C and C is a common. So how we write? Angle ACP congruent angle BCQ. Reason common angle. Therefore, triangle CPA similar triangle CQB. Reason for that? AA test. By AA test, they are similar. Okay. First, we can prove that is CPA similar triangle CQB. Now, when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. And this CP upon CQ corresponding angle, PA upon QB corresponding sides, and CA upon CB corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now, value of CP they given? No. Value of CQ they don't give. Value of AP, yes, AP is a given. What? 7. Value of AP is a given 7, and value of QB is a 8 is equal to value of AC they don't give, but value of CB, that is BC, is a given 12. Now AC is equal to 7 into 12 divided by 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 21 upon 2, that is 10.5. AC is equal to 10.5 units. That is the answer.